Are you tired of wasting time on tedious manual order processing? Switch to Auto File Sync for a seamless, efficient solution. Experience time savings of 5 to 7 minutes per order. Focus more on growing your business. Enjoy enhanced accuracy with automated syncing, reducing manual errors. Manage thousands of orders effortlessly and scale with ease, without extra labor. Getting started is quick and simple. First, set up your cloud storage path in your store settings. Next, upload your design files to your chosen cloud storage. Once uploaded, our system syncs your files automatically every hour. Your orders are fulfilled seamlessly while you focus on sales. Plus, Auto File Sync works with all major cloud storage solutions, like AWS and Google Cloud. Ready to watch your sales grow? Contact our sales team today for customized plans for 100+ orders per month. Start selling personalized products now and elevate your business.